11 तारिख February 2020 Sangaro tini TPF ningai Honorable His Excellency Governor of Tripura sang memorandum submit kaya through deputation tini nisini Governor no je memorandum mani main uddesho ngakai sinaro je illegal voters je illegal intruders je Bangladesh aike pro Pakistan arni fajak rok sinora taubo Indian Constitution article number 6 ni mutabek bor ojagani citizen ing yakho jeto tabok se phayo se abo implement mong yakho okay bor ojagani legal citizen ing yakho ngoro je suk for the last 70 years sinora je election chalitong mani ADC panang thung ba state of panang thung je election chalitong man abegno according to Indian Constitution abegno illegal tai unconstitutional undemocratic aboni bagai sing tini sini governor no aboni sing saka memorandum ni bisingtui sini tabok NRC Supreme Court 18 tarik March final hearing ngi tongo o NRC implement NRC ni Supreme Court to verdict no hoya sak NRC implement ngai illegal immigrants intruders the illegal voters borong na identify khai o jang delete khai detain deport khai asak panyanta sinoro election ta khai di karon buskango sinoro ADC election khai tongo most probably May of ngai sing ko saimano angkai o ADC election no tamongkha sing thanai 2015 simino je pro ADC election sakang sing approve haino aro PB asare tongpro memorandum submit khaika approve sing saka sino Tripura hawo ADC area jehetu sudo matro sini bukung barane bagai simisi oron je native indigenous people ni bagai simisa ADC area ADC area meaning tamo Tripura tribal area autonomous district council nga jagawo sudo sini borok by simsa jaga native people simsa jagawo vote angai a jagawo gণতন্ত্র ni bisingti vote ni bisingti a jagawo ADC গঠন khai abono chaloknai district council chaloknai nga jaga sungnu jaka tamo o jaga 28 seats ni bisingo ADC je 28 constitution bisingo tinta non ST mane non indigenous non native people borong no jaga ko borok contest khai tongo tai arai hoyto 3 lakh ni gobang o jagao illegal voters jeta Bangladeshi eke illegal intruders borok voter tongo hangke omo ADC se hangkai bahai ke o jagao illegal voters o jagao entertain khai tongman borok bahai ke contest khai tongman abon bagino sing thanai 2015 bo obono demand khai je ADC si hangkai sudu sini ADC sini bukung barani yago simisa abo saloknani khomotang naklayo phatan borok bahika jagao political rights ba voting rights naiman abono hataw khai ni sing 2015 bo sing ko memorandum submit khai chak kinu aboni kuno action ya haini bagai sing hai tini ADC ni je illegal intruders illegal voters no hataw khai di srai sini o jagani hanibu sarok ni yago hanibu sarok srai illegal voters tanbai je genuine je voter ing asa point ADC election ta khai di haini sing tini sini memorandum mo saka tai Tripura hasteo je kono election ungnani hingakai khanyani hingakai puila je NRC khaimen bisingtei tabuk Supreme Court NRC ni final hearing ungnai ka ajaga NRC exercise khai implement khai illegal voters no identify ke ajaga rutu kare ba asa point sino Tripura hasteo kono election ta khai di haini sing sini tini memorandum mo governor by salaika governor suna assurance kha je bo obnoti chief election commission by salainai immediately na salainai tai sini ji memorandum no bo as well as in the government the prime minister sang je prime minister president home minister honorable chief justice boni thani bo sang copy to sika governor assurance kha bo obno forward khai rokha bainai election commission by bo immediately na malai obnoti oisnoti discussion khai action nana hini bosuno assurance kha